Humanities today, you need to be at lesson 19. You'll see that it is a learning task, okay? So this is an assessment piece. What you need to do is think about a country that we've been talking about in the past. So like last week, we researched a couple of different countries. You can use one of those countries and the information from that to then put into this grid here and fill in the data, or you can choose another country, okay? Now you need to then throughout the week, you're then going to make a travel brochure or a poster or do a comparative report about that country. So this is your plan. So basically, if I choose to do China, I would write my information China there. I'd find out the population about China. Now, I don't know, I'm just going to put in, I know it's not like 900,000, okay? Then I would fill in all of this information that's on this page, everything about China. So this is my plan for China. Then tomorrow I'll get another piece of information and it'll still be about China, and I'll be working on making my project about China. Okay? So that's what I need to be working on for this whole week of humanities.